In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Microsoft Teams, an essential tool for team collaboration and schedule management. Let's dive into it and ensure that your team stays on top of important dates and deadlines seamlessly. To begin, it's important to note that Microsoft Teams doesn't allow you to create a brand new calendar directly within the platform itself. However, you can easily connect an Outlook shared calendar to your team, which I will guide you through step by step. First, you'll need to open Outlook. This can be done on either the desktop version or through the web, whichever you prefer. Once you're in Outlook, focus your attention on setting up a shared calendar. Navigate to the Calendar section, then click on Add Calendar, and from there, select Create New Calendar. At this point, it's crucial to name the calendar appropriately, perhaps something that instantly conveys its purpose to your team, such as marketing team deadlines or project schedule. After naming it, the next key step is sharing it with your team members, ensuring they all have the necessary access to view and manage the calendar. Having set up your shared calendar in Outlook, it's time to integrate it with Microsoft Teams. Open up Teams and locate the specific team where you want this calendar to reside. Once in the right team, direct your attention to the top of the window. Here, you'll see the option to add a new tab, symbolized by a plus icon. Click that to proceed. In the list of options that appears, select Website. This part is crucial. In the field provided, you'll need to paste the Outlook web calendar link. For this, you might need the ICS or URL link, which you can find in Outlook. This link enables the seamless connection between Outlook and Teams, bringing your shared calendar into the Microsoft Teams environment. Next, take advantage of the Name the Tab feature. Enter a name that will make sense to your team, like Team Calendar or Project Dates. This will help ensure that everyone knows exactly where to find the Calendar tab among other resources. And there you have it. Now your team has quick and easy access to a shared calendar right within Microsoft Teams, allowing for efficient scheduling and communication. Keep in mind that while this setup does require a few steps through Outlook, the convenience and clarity it brings to your team's operations make it well worth the effort. For any future changes or updates, simply manage them through Outlook and they'll automatically reflect in Teams. Enjoy this enhanced aspect of your collaborative work